coming in the past couple of minutes here. Governor Kathy Hochul just declared a state of emergency in New York. This is ahead of that new COVID variant of concern, which is centered around South Africa right now. Now, it's important to note at this point it has not been found in New York, but the governor says it's coming. Now, experts say the reinfection risk is very high. So on Monday, the U.S. has announced it will restrict travel from 8 African nations. Health officials say that the Omicron variant has 50 mutations, and there are some worries that it could escape immunity. A lot of questions still with this. Now, meanwhile, on Long Island, some of the 200 kids who participated in a clinical trial for the COVID vaccine are now fully vaccinated. Want to get out to News 4's Greg Sergel live in Commack with the latest on that. Greg.
Well, Natalie, really a strange day here at this Commack medical facility. As you said, families and doctors were celebrating the vaccine trials that Stony Brook held over the past few months. But it all happened as a new COVID concern was presenting itself.
They're all set.
The Millers of Smithtown hoped that 10-year-old Jonathan's second vaccine dose today would ease their COVID concerns. But doctors here at Stony Brook Medicine are already focusing on yet another pandemic threat, a new COVID variant.
The concern is going to be, does the antibody you get from vaccination also prevent this new virus?
Dr. Sharon Nachman says it's still unclear if vaccines will work against this variant. The World Health Organization today labeled the variant a major concern.
We don't know a lot about the variant except that it is a great concern. It seems to spread rapidly.
President Biden has already ordered travel restrictions starting Monday for 8 African nations. The variant was first identified in South Africa, and cases have now been discovered in Europe and Asia.
As long as there's virus present in the communities, the variants are going to happen.
Infectious disease doctor Aisha Khan was also one proud mom today.
You did well. How are you feeling?
Good.
Watching her 5-year-old get his second vaccine dose. Adam Hamidi is among 200 kids who took part in Stony Brook's clinical trials to determine vaccine safety for children.
If I could help other people, then less people would get sick.
Jonathan Miller was among a group who had received a placebo shot during the trials. Today, 3 of those placebo recipients got their final doses of the real vaccine.
Relief that we're almost done, that maybe it can be over.
Andrea Miller says her son and the others helped make history. Dad Michael Fisher believed in the trial so much, his 7-year-old Tucker and 3 other kids all took part.
Maybe one day they'll look back and realize how proud we are for what they've done.
Today's events, the experts say, demonstrate once again the importance of getting vaccinated. We're live in Commack. Greg Sergel, News 4 New York.